Hello everyone, I am Shivantika, legal intern at Lexis and Company for the month of June. And today in legal news, Delhi court dismissed the plea moved on behalf of Sushil Kumar, accused in connection with Chhatrasal Stadium murder case, seeking a special supplementary diet inside the jail. The Chief Metropolitan Magistrate Satvir Singh Lamba passed the order after reserving it yesterday in the view of submissions made by Advocate Pradeep Rana, appearing on behalf of Sushil Kumar, and the public prosecutor Shravan Kumar, appearing on behalf of the state. It is well settled law that all the prisoners, whether natural or juristic, are equal in the eyes of the law, irrespective of their caste, religion, sex, class, etc. Right to equality is a basic feature of the Indian Constitution. It implies the rule of law, and it also implies the absence of any special or any kind of privilege uh, to any person due to his rank, status, whether he's rich or he's poor, or on any such sort. The law should be equal and should be equally administered to all, and like should be treated alike. That is what the court said while passing the order. Furthermore, the court also observed that considering the facts and circumstances in the present case, as well as keeping in the view the avertments made by the present applications, it is apparent that all the basic needs and the necessities of the accused are being taken care of as per the provisions of the Delhi Prisoners Rule of 2018. The alleged special food and supplement appears to be only a desire and a wish of the accused, and is in not in any manner an essential need or a necessity for the accused in the given situation. Hence, the prayer of the accused in the present application is not maintainable. Accordingly, the present application is thereby dismissed. These were the lines stated by the court while passing the order. Also, Sushil Kumar is presently under the judicial custody in case concerning the death of former junior national wrestling champion Sagar. He was sent to judicial custody on 2nd of June. The Delhi police has also registered an FIR under section 302 of punishment for murder, under section 308 to attempt of culpable homicide, section 365, 325, 323, 341, 506, 188, 269, 34 and 120B of IPC, along with some sections like section 25, 54 and 59 of the Arms Act. Reportedly, Sagar, who had been training at the iconic stadium, died while two of his friends got injured after they were heavily assaulted by Sushil Kumar and some other wrestlers on May 4th at the stadium only in Delhi. During the course of hearing, also, Advocate Pradeep Rana submitted before the court that Sushil Kumar cannot be denied the grant of supplement under the prisoners' rule, as he is in a position to bring the same. Reference was also made to the relevant provisions in the rules of prison rule, and important judgment on the subject was also cited by the advocate. The submissions made by Rana were opposed by the public prosecutor, who argued before the court that the applicant had not put forward any document along with any application for requirement of such supplements. He submitted that what is the need to provide special treatment to an accused of such heinous crime? What is the basis of this special food? He said nothing. Under Article 14 of the Constitution, equality before the law is same. He also submitted that as per the reply of the jail superintendent, many of the prisoners who are competent and demand such food are also not not being allowed the same and allowing the application to him, that is Sushil Kumar, will create a discriminatory atmosphere among all the prisoners. So therefore, after listening to both the parties, the court said that it is not just that such special kind of treatment to be given to Sushil Kumar in this case. Also, the public prosecutor had submitted that, keeping in mind the reply of the jail superintendent, application must be dismissed. Therefore, the application was dismissed in this very said application. That's all. Thank